Hey there, ho ho ho. What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing some mud flaps. So guys, today we are gonna be doing the CorkSport mud flaps on the MazdaSpeed 3. These are the polyurethane mud flaps that CorkSport provides for both the first gen and the second gen MazdaSpeed 3. And my buddy was nice enough to get them for me for my birthday. Thank you very much. This came in perfect time because I got the Christmas wrap on the Speed 3, so I don't want to get it dirty. And these CorkSport mud flaps are gonna help me from getting my paint dirty. One thing that I like about these mud flaps more than the Rally Armor mud flaps that are on the Mazda 3 is that they're nice and flexible, so they won't break or like snap if it's too cold out. It's a very thick material, which is very nice. It's got drilled holes in it already. I like the black, and also the branding on here has a nice texture to it. And it also comes with the necessary hardware, and CorkSport provides you with a mini mud flap to keep your pocket clean from those dirty people. And like I said, all the hardware and everything. CorkSport's providing this for an actual decent price, which, you know, it's not bad. I'm not hating on the mud flaps that are on the Mazda 3, so just saying. But definitely, CorkSport, you guys came through with these. Nice glossy black finish, and the branding, I do like that. We're gonna go ahead and install these on the Speed 3. We're gonna need some tools though. You're gonna need a drill, because you gotta drill a couple more holes. 10mm wrench and socket, and a 1/4 inch drill bit. And you should be heckin' mint. Look at those heckin' mint mud flap on that celestial blue Speed 3, but today we got the Christmas wrap Speed 3. Let's get into it, boys. Let's install those mud flaps though. One point that I also want to add too is, like, these are going to provide like styling for your car obviously, and they make like the speeds look sick, but these also like I said, they help with the paint. Like when I did these on the like Mazda 3, like the amount of like dirt that was on the side of the car just like disappeared after using these. So it's actually surprising like how well these, like, as like a detailer standpoint, these are great to have. So I have to start by jacking the car up and taking the wheels off. Okay, let's see here. So this is the front one. It is skinnier. The glossy side is going to face the rear of the, I got the wrong side. So as you can see, leave these two and then that one, and then you drill a hole. So I'm gonna have to pop out these ones. Wow, look at that, a Mazda screw pin that never worked. Oh, guys, be careful with screwdrivers, they'll scratch your paint. It says use 2, but they use 3 in the photo. Now we gotta drill me some hole. Yeah, don't have a lot of room in here. Oh, mint. Okay, now we gotta use the little one. Oh, it came out. Is that hole too big? I kind of butchered it. Bro, I just made a mega hole. Learn from my mistakes, my friends. So I just used one of the big boys right here. And then on the other side, I'll probably just reuse one of the old clips. Other than that, this one's in their mint. So let's do this one. Oh, I have to measure these ones. So I just made 3 holes right here. I'm gonna go ahead and drill these out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the mud flap on, and then I'll do the last hole, just so I know where it's gonna mount. Need these screw type clips. And then I'm gonna do the other side, and we're gonna see how it looks. But like, that looks decent. That does look decent so far. All right, dudes, so all the 4 mud flaps are on this side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, I just torqued the wheels, I'm gonna lower it down. You guys gotta remember too, I am not lowered at all, so this will look a little weird. Neither do I have wheels, but I mean, like, even from this angle, that looks pretty sick. So we're gonna lower it. Yo, oh, I'm not even gonna lie. I know I'm not lowered, but that looks mint. That looks pretty mint. I did nail that back too. That back looks sick. Like I said, I'm not wide, don't have offset yet, don't got big tires, not lowered, but even then, that looks pretty sick. Damn, dude. All right, guys, I am glad those are on. Now, hopefully my Christmas wrap stays on, because this stuff is soaked. CorkSport, I think you guys won on this one. Congratulations. If you guys at CorkSport are watching this, the only thing I would suggest, because you guys did add some extra hardware, but add maybe like 2 more of the big boys, because I had to reuse one because I messed up on the other side. Other than that, I think it went pretty flawlessly. Obviously once I get like the wrap off, then it will look a little, you'll kind of notice them. But I think throwing on some tire shine, dressing up the wheel wells, should all blend very nicely. Sweet, I'm stoked on this. I am heckin' stoked, boys. All right, guys, and that is the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you're looking to protect your paint, buy these mud flaps. I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys if you want to pick them up. Next video, I'm guessing, next video, I'm not sure, but I also have the CorkSport high pressure fuel pump internals that I have to put in the MazdaSpeed 3 as well. So keep out for that. Every MazdaSpeed owner needs some of those. So that was just the mud flaps for today. You know, it's Christmas, my dudes. We're having a pretty good month right now. So anyways, keep it real, my dudes. Ho ho ho. I'll see you guys in the next one.